Today is Thursday, August 15th, and I'm back out here at the facility in Oregon, and we're making some progress here. John is filling the lube reservoir, and we've actually figured out how to advance and retract the tailstock quill. The reason that we were getting an alarm yesterday when we tried to home the machine was that the tailstock quill had crept forward out of position, and we didn't know how to return it to its home position. So you'll note that now the machine has been homed out, and we didn't get that emergency stop alarm, the 1005 emergency stop that we were getting yesterday afternoon.